When I seems lost, thoughts lead you astray. Then I cry, then I feel pain. Why do I suffer so much? I would love to feel your touch. Baby, I don't know where to go. I feel so lost without you. Baby, I don't know where to go. I feel so lost without you. Baby, I don't know where to go. I feel so lost without you. Baby, I don't know where to go. I feel so lost without you. Save me before I pass out. Save me before I pass out. Before I pass out.
frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause it's fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of
it in my heart, yeah. I can feel it in my chest, yeah. I can feel it in my. This is what bliss feels like. I can feel it in my heart, yeah, yeah. I can feel it in my chest, yeah, yeah. I can feel it from everybody. your holes and don't even know it. It feels so cold. Picking up my little pieces. You took anything I got, I don't wanna live anymore. Looking in the mirror and told myself I'm gonna fix this on my own. I don't wanna die alone now. This is my last try. Just think for a second everything would look different. Get up and losing this crap you wanna improve tonight. Don't trap in the same type stuff again. Otherwise you lose your mind again.
Flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And
And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. feel like we're the nation. So raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality. Can't fuck with that.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
She looks deep into my eyes, remain silent. The problems in her head pile up. Again and again she tells me how sick she is. Everything is so hard for her. Why don't you just tell me? Everything can be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself. Why don't you just tell me? Everything can be so until it is over. You should have thought about your problems wouldn't go away by themselves.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat.
Let's go, let's go. Our comfort zone, protecting people with a tone. We just want to save this world, so prepare yourselves for us. For us. Try to take me down, 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 down. Try to lift me up, above. But stop the time crashing through my mind. Let's try to get up beyond. You say you like me better the way, and I swear that I try, but I was so blind. They say your words hurt if you let them stay, so I count my ties. This is my good, and I'm saying, oh, oh, oh. Cause I'm running away. I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Looking for space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me?
Thought I was enough, yeah, it feels like half a century ago. Cause you keep coming back after telling me off, without even feeling sorry between good. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. In a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my dog. I think I'll make it hear me out. It's you and only you.
attention. She called me crazy and I'm wasting time. Easy, don't leave me now.
Smoke lingers after fire.
Comes to strike, I'll be the projection on the wall that it lies. I carousel line, just look into the sky and follow the light. My fate in my own hands, gleam in my eyes. Give me the thunder, hear the thunder, cozy thunder, right now. Give me the thunder, hear the thunder, cozy thunder, right now. Give me a wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunders. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want.
Stand up, stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now. Pick your body till you black out. So get the fuck up.
I'm not ready to give in. of your good side. Start wondering how I could make it last.
Like a ghoster, I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping sooner. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy.
like I do right